Hey everyone, welcome to WFP Studios. In today's tutorial, we'll explore the Newton plugin in After Effects. To get started, first import your video into After Effects. Then press Ctrl-Shift-H to fit the video to the screen. Next, we need an image to create the clean plate. Export the first frame render as a JPEG sequence. Import the image into Photoshop to make it a clean plate. In Photoshop, there are several ways to do this. First, select the rectangular marquee tool and select the text. Right-click and choose Content Aware Fill to remove the extra selected area. Now you can see the text is gone. Next, use the Patch tool, which is the second option for creating a clean plate. Apply the same process to remove any remaining text. Then, select the Clone Stamp tool. Press Alt to sample the color, and then paint over the text. Use all three tools to finalize the clean plate. Now you can see the clean plate is ready. Rename your layers. And import the video, clean plate, and text file into After Effects. Create the base for text collision. Auto-trace the text, then select it. Go to Composition and choose the Newton option. Select all the text layers and set them to kinematic, while keeping the baseline static. Adjust the friction, density, and bounciness, then render the scene. Now you can see the text collision in action. Apply the same process to all text layers. Adjusting their timing to make the text fall in sequence. Add a wiggle effect to enhance the appearance when the text falls. Now, let's take a look at the final falling text animation we've created. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips.